How to download the Popeyes Allergen Guide PDF. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, go to the official page of Popeyes. Here, scroll down to the bottom. You will find Nutrition and Allergen. Click on Nutrition and Allergen at the bottom. After you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Allergen Information. After you click on Allergen Information, it will directly download the PDF file for you. And after it downloads, you'll find it open up in your device. And you will find all these options. And you'll find all the allergen guides according to the menu item. So you can see signature chicken wings. There's milk, wheat, egg, soy, and according to that dot means that allergen is included in the item. And this is how to download the Popeyes Allergen Guide PDF. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.